we're going to go over the shapes that you all did earlier. These are our flat shapes. Our flat shapes are, it's a circle. These are the 2D shapes. A circle. How many angles does this circle have? How many angles are on this circle?
9.
Don't yell out. Carrington, thank you for raising your hand. Jacob, how many angles are on this circle? How many are on here? 0. Great job. There are no angles on this circle. It's just one big what? One big curved side. Great job. Our next one is a square. You all have the square. The square has how many equal sides? Gerodric, how many sides are on a square? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are on a square? How many? 4. Great job, Gerodric. And it has 2 sets of parallel lines. See how these lines here? They just go on. They could go on, and then you have 2 there. And we have 4 angles. 1 angle, because there are 2 sides that are meeting. 2, 3, and 4. So how many angles are on a square? Maddie? 4. Awesome job, Maddie. Great job. Now the square and the rectangle, they both have 4 sides. Is that correct? Do they both have 4 sides? What do you think? Jacob, do they both have 4 sides? Yes. Awesome. They have 4 sides, 2 sets of equal sides, and then they have 2 sets of parallel sides. They have 4 angles. The difference in the square and the rectangle, the square has all 4 sides, or what can you tell me? All 4 sides, are they the same or are they different? Gabe, are all 4 sides the same or different on a square? Are they all the same or are they different? No, they're not the same. They are the same on a square, right?
Come on, Gabe.
They're the same. Okay, you've done a great job today so far. Carrington, are all the sides the same on the square? Yes, but the sides are not all the same on the rectangle. See, the rectangle is a little longer than on the square. Then we have our triangle. Our triangle has a tricycle. How many of you still have wheels on the back of your bicycle? Tricycle. You have a little one, a bike when you were smaller. It had how many wheels on it? How many wheels did your bicycle have when you were smaller? Maddie? How many wheels did your bicycle have when you were smaller, possibly? Or you may still have it.
4.
You have 4, but if it's on the smaller one, when you were smaller, probably much smaller, it was a tricycle. You would probably ride along with mom or dad. There was 1 wheel in the front and 2 wheels in the back. So how many tires is that?
4.
1 in the front and 2 in the back. 3. That's a tricycle. The same as a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. But there are no parallel lines because there are no lines that are going in the same direction on a triangle.
We're sorry, Miss Mills. We thought you were talking about two bigger wheels.
Well, I said that initially. Yes, ma'am.
Two training
Two
wheels
training
on the
wheels.
back,
Yes,
the smaller
ma'am.
ones.
When they grow on up, that's what they possibly will have. Yes, ma'am. But when they're smaller, that's what they normally ride on, are the little tricycles. The right triangle has 3 sides. Again, no parallel lines. It has 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. And that's what I was telling you earlier about the angles. We're going to learn about it. See how these 2 lines meet? That's the right angle. And these 2 lines are little bitty cute little angles. Those are called acute angles. And then we have the rhombus. The rhombus has 4 equal sides, 2 sets of parallel sides, here and here, and then the other 2 sets are there. Then we have 2 opposite acute angles. Again, the acute angles are the little bitty, cute little angles. And then we have 2 opposite obtuse. The obtuse angles are the big angles. Okay? So, we're going to learn more about these when we do go through our lessons, but you all have at least been exposed to that. And now you all should be ready to continue to do a great job.